Hello and welcome. I'm Rabbi Hassan from Online Money Carrier. In this video, we will talk about how to promote our CPA offers. Actually, it's a part of our lesson, but also our subscriber named Ratan Jack, I think, he just asked me for the video, and he just that's why I'm just making the video that how to promote the offer. Ratan Jack, I think you just get your all questions answers on after watching the video. So before starting, I have to say something. So if you are new on my channel, just subscribe my channel. I have many helpful content that will help you to make money online, and it will also help you to build a successful and suitable career on in online. If you want to learn CPA marketing from A to Z, then you can follow my playlist. I have many in my playlist. I have many sections. You can CPA, you can learn CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, free Facebook marketing, and many others. In future, I will add more. Okay, so let's just get into the topic. That is how we can promote our CPA offers. So as an example, we are using our CPA group as an example. But as I already said, that work on CPA group till you don't make a result. If you get three or four lead, if you get two or three lead money, and then just leave the CPA group and start with a professional CPA network. That's it. I'm not saying that CPA grip is not a professional one, but I think you will get some higher amount on the professional networks as well. You can also try. You can try maxbounty and many others on the CPA, many other CPA network. You can also get the suitable one for you. If you and now the question, how you can research the suitable network for me, then I have to say that go to my YouTube channel and watch my CPA marketing A to Z. Then you will learn the system, how you can research those things. So go and check my playlist fully to learn CPA marketing from beginner to advanced. Okay, the topic is how to promote our offer. Okay, so first of all, we have to obviously choose our offer. So let's choose the offer. Okay, I have United States traffic, so that's why I'm just using. I want to promote a United States supporting offer, the country United States country supporting offer. Obviously, I will promote email and zip submit offer because the most of the offers are free and easy to complete the offer. That's why I'm just using. And let's see. Okay, the I in my previous video I just already showed that how you can get the highest result offer on the market, highest completing offer on market, how to research the offer, because offer is the main thing. If your offer is tricky, then no one going to complete the offer for you. So you have to find a suitable offer. I just already find a suitable offer, that is the washing powder offer. My traffic have to just submit their email, and after confirmation they have to submit their zip. So let's promote the offer. Okay, so it's our landing page. Let's click on that, and it's our offers link. Just copy the link by this, and okay, let's save it on a notepad for now. The video is going to be little long, but you have to stay with me. You have to watch the full video if you want to learn how to promote the offer, and you have to also watch my other videos as well if you want to do the CPA marketing, if you want to do the CPA marketing seriously, if you want to learn the CPA marketing seriously, and if you want to make a career on that. So okay, the offers link is there, and just minimize that, and our work is just finished there. And let's see. Okay, just close that. My offer, I'm just promoting this. Now you have to use on the we have to collect, obviously we have to have some traffic. We have to have the traffic source, we have to have the traffic as a free term. We have to collect traffic from the social medias. As a social media, I will use Twitter. I will use Twitter. Let's use a Twitter. Let's search that. I'm just giving an example that how you can promote your offer. Okay, I have to pause the video. Okay, it's a little mistake, but obviously humans definitely do the mistakes, but we have to learn from the mistakes. Okay, to promote CPA offers, obviously in the free terms we have to use the social medias. So first of all, I know that no one and everyone not is actually addressed with all the social media sites. So what you have to do, you have to just search on the Google 10 social sites like, okay, top 10 social media like Facebook. Let's search that. There is tons of social medias, but we also have to scrutinize all those things perfectly to start our offer promoting. Okay, so first of all, actually the video is going to be a long video, that's why I am going to make a I'm going to make the video in two part. It is the first part, and I will publish the second part on my next video. So obviously we will use Facebook, obviously we will use WhatsApp, we will use QQ. Actually not, we are not going to use QQ. We are not going to use WeChat, not Qzone. We are going to use Tumblr. Instagram, obviously Instagram. Twitter, obviously we are going to use the Twitter. Google Plus, actually it's no longer available, so just leave it. Baidu Taiba, we are not going to use that. The Skype, we're not going to, not Viber, not Line, Snapchat. It's such a secret thing on Snapchat. I will make a series on Snapchat. It's a secret marketing strategy on 2020. If you want the Snapchat series, then you can comment on the comment section that yes sir, we want it. Then I will, if I feel that yes, my subscribers, my student want the Snapchat series, then obviously I will make a series about the Snapchat marketing. Obviously, and there are two terms, free terms and paid terms. Both terms are completely absolutely awesome. You can also work with the free terms, you can also work on the paid terms also. Okay, Pinterest, the important very important thing. Pinterest, we are obviously using the Pinterest. LinkedIn, no, we are not going to use LinkedIn for our offer promoting, it's a professional site. Telegram, sometime we will use Telegram. Reddit also we are going to use Reddit. So Arena tagged, we are also going to use the tagged also. Bado, not, no, Bado is MySpace. Suitable, open the dots. Okay, YouTube, it's a video marketing, but I will teach you on the last. Vine is a video sharing platform, but it's effective for CPA offers. Okay, for now it's enough. So if you want to learn the offer promoting thing, it's the last stage of CPA marketing. Okay, if you know how to promote your offer, then you are a CPA marketer. That's it. It's enough. If you know that how you can deliver the offer into your traffic, what you have to do to deliver the offer, what how you have to convince your traffic to make the action for you, then you are a CPA marketer. So if you want to learn the the offer promoting term, then you obviously have to pay some time on my channel. You have to watch the video full, and you have to understand my all speech perfectly. If you don't understand any something, then you can also you can also ask me the question on the comment box. I will definitely answer that. So for now, what you have to do, you have to make some accounts on social media. Facebook account, obviously you have to make some account with your niche based. Okay, every niche have separate account. You can't actually uh, promote all the offers from one account. Obviously you have to make some other accounts to promote other niches as well, but I will suggest you to work in with one niche. It can be health niche, it can be wealth niche, it can be anything. So first of all, just if you want to learn something, then try anything you want. Then you have to make Facebook, WhatsApp. You have to make a WhatsApp account, and you have to join some groups, and then you have to make a Tumblr account. You have to make an Instagram account, obviously your niche based account. You have to make a Twitter account with the real name. You have to make the no, Snapchat, not you have to what's that, VK. You have to make the VK account. You have to make the Pinterest account, and that's it for our first term marketing. That's enough. And okay, it is the first video. After making the account, I also have to prepare something for you, just because it's a huge term to teach, so I also have to prepare something for you. Till then, just prepare all those accounts perfectly, and make a strengthful account actually. So that's it for now, and I will see you on my next video, on the next part of the video. And that's it. If you're new on the channel, just subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, that you will never miss another content. And if you want to earn from online, then Online Money Career is a very good channel for you. I'm Rabbi Hassan, signing off for now. See you in my next video. Till then, be with me. Bye.